Hi guys, good morning.
You whisper, good
Morning.
so gently in my ear.
Let me say hi.
I'm coming
Say
back
hi.
to you, babe.
So guys, this is my morning breakfast. I'm having this detox water as my morning breakfast. I take this every morning. I got this recipe from Aderunke channel. Please go check her out. So I'm waiting for my Uber to get here. I'm just sipping this. I'm waiting for my Uber. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Jessica Tronovec. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So far, today's video is kind of, I'm going to be unboxing some things I got online. I'm also going to be like cooking and also cleaning and the rest. So right now I'm in the mall. I want to get some skincare product that I need, and also I'm also going to be getting some little things that we need in the house. So come along with us, let's go shop and cook and clean and unbox some amazing outfits I got. So please keep on. So guys, these are their skincare products. This was the ones they have. I was looking for this I'll just write the name of the cleanser and the face wash I was looking for, but I didn't see that, so I just got these ones. I saw tea tree. I got tea tree product. Then I also got this moringa and aloe vera face wash. Then I also got my exfoliating sponge because you need to glow that our skin. So yeah, I'm done here. So please keep on watching. Pretty woman, the perfect woman with the baby by your side. Check it out here. So let's go to the next location.
How many millions?
Hey guys, welcome back. We just finished from the shopping. As you guys saw, I have taken my shower to feel fresh and to change my hair and my outfit, which I'll be inserting. Either I'll insert pictures, I'll do videos, I'll insert on this video. Yeah guys, this wine,
So I want to make dinner for hubby. Yeah. I want to make dinner for hobby, so I'm going to be taking you guys along. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed, seriously, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly join my family. Hit on the subscribe button, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Okay, so let's get the cooking started. Baby girl has fell. She has slept. She has slept. So I'm going to cook dinner and enjoy my wine. Yeah, as I cook. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so guys, this is my bacon. I'm going to brush this, and we're also using some chicken breasts. Yeah, so I'm going to wash this as well. So guys, I'm trying to get some R&B music to sing along with while I cook. 90s to 2020. So let me see. Okay, so it's a mix of Shakira, Alicia Keys, Usher. So it's live. I don't know live. Okay, Chris Brand New, Mary J, Rihanna, Usher, old school. Alright, so let's go with this one.
So fam, this is what I do. I just play music and cook as I go. Don't mind my stomach, because I know a lot of you typing, what happened to your tummy? Your tummy looks big. Yeah. We are in that time of that month. Yeah, if you know, you know. Yes, that time of that month whereby we are expecting our period to drop and I get bloated a lot. So let's focus on the food. So I'm just chopping up the chicken, and I'm also going to be using some bacon in this recipe. And this is something different. I have not made this for hobby before, so it's my first time making it. So I just said, okay, let me do something different and cook, dance, drink a good wine. And good food goes with good wine. Yeah. So I'm slicing some garlic, some onions, and chop all those into pieces. And these are our ingredients. And move it to where I'll start my cooking preparation, and also clean as I cook, because it makes the work much easier. Yeah, so I love the R&B music I was playing. I wish I could play it for you all, but we don't want copyrights. Yeah, so R&B music was just giving me vibes and all. Yeah, so please keep on watching and keep on enjoying the rest of the video.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah. I only want you, yeah. Only want you.
So the water of the pasta is boiling, so we'll start by putting some oil, and I'm taking a sip of my my wine, and after that I will add my bacon because I fried the bacon first. After the bacon is being fried, then we'll allow this to simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then I also rinse the baking pan I'm going to use to bake this because this is going to go inside the oven as well. Yeah, so I'm just going to rinse it and set that aside for it to air dry. So our bacon is ready. I've removed the bacon. Then I'm using the same oil to fry the onions, and I added the chicken. I'll give this a little bit of a mix, like fry it till the chicken is cooked. Then I'll add my pepper, my seasonings like pepper, black pepper, paprika, and I'll give that a stir for a while. Then I'll add the rest of the ingredients, which is my salt, my seasoning to taste, and I'll wash my hands because you gotta wash your hands. Yeah, then I cover my pot and allow this to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Our water for the pasta is ready. I'm going to pour in my pasta for my pasta to be cooking while the sauce is cooking. Yes, so guys, keep on watching. So now I'm adding in my cream. I'm using cooking cream for this recipe. I'm adding all this cream inside. Yeah, so I will give this a mix and I will taste and mix. Yeah. So guys, here I'm adding my bacon and I'll give that a mix. Then I'm grating my cheese I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm using mozzarella cheese for this. Mozzarella cheese, yeah. Then my pasta is ready. I'll mix this pasta with the sauce, and I'll mix as I go, and I'll be adding cheese as I go before we bake this in the so I'm transferring this in my baking pan, and I'll add more cheese on top, and this is so amazing. Baby girl was there touching the cheese. Yeah, this is so amazing. This tasted so nice. This is my first time giving this to my oga, and he cleared the plate.
I'm going to leave it to air dry, and yeah, where it's clean. It's inside the oven baking. So guys, this is what we have.
Understanding, you respected every boundary. You're so exciting, wasn't expecting you to be here still.
So guys, I just got the delivery from Everything Abuja. Yeah. Oh, when you remove your wig, you look different. So I'm going to unboxing this for you guys. This is my delivery. I'm going to unbox it for you guys so you guys can see what I got. Okay, so keep on watching, guys. This is the delivery. Let me cover.
So guys, this is how I spent my day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Turn up notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.